Hey, good afternoon. This is Neil, Simple Futures, and today is what? Thursday? The 22nd of June. So I just did the free video last night. We did it on the S&Ps. View is still the same there, so I don't want to do the exact same thing tonight. So I figured we'd cover something different. And that is when we look at live cattle. This is August cattle, live cattle. And I like this as a long. I've got this trend move up. I've got a retracement into the averages. This is a nice looking little retracement back into my 10-20 period moving averages on a proposed, anyway, trend line support. The low of the move yesterday was made on buying, i.e. low for the move, and then reversed and left in excess, firm finish, and today breached the top, which triggers this long. What we will ask it to do now will be to continue with a series of now higher lows on this daily chart, meaning today's low is the low to hold now. Get in on about the mid of today's range against its low, and the target's going to be up here for a new high. We'll have targets at like 175 and then 180. So that's what I got tonight for the free video. Is a little something different, i.e. curveball, in that we're looking at cattle tonight, August cattle. Hope it helps. Good trade. Nice evening. Catch you again at the next day.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me